Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a new document in MS Word. So open MS Word, then click on File and here click on New. Here you will see some templates. Just select it or click on Blank Document. So this is the new document. Also you can use Ctrl N to create a new document. So shortcut is to create new document Ctrl plus A. Control plus N. So this is the shortcut. Now to save this file and save it. Click on save. Select the location where you want to save it, like desktop, download or document folder. So browse and select that document or that folder where you want to save it. Give any name to this document and save it. So this is the very basic video guys to create a new document in Word. Thanks for watching.